Hey there! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to breathe life into static visuals, making them dance, float, and respond to your touch, all without writing a single line of code. Let's get started. Open Framer and create a new project. Set up frames for your canvas. Import your images into Framer. Add the images to your frames. Change their position type to absolute. Layer them in the foreground. Apply a blur effect with a strength of 8. Select both images. Go to Effects and add an Appear effect. Set rotation to 0. Use a spring effect with stiffness 200 and damping 50. Still with both images selected, add a drag effect. Apply a loop to keep them moving. Individual image tweaks. For each image, set the loop type to mirror. Randomly rotate and skew the images. Transition with ease in and out. Adjust the delay time for the images to appear. You're all set. Preview your creation. Feel free to tweak the numbers until it looks just right. Have fun exploring and experimenting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe.